Hello, boys and girls. Today we will be taking the Chapter 7 division test. Now, if you were asked to come and take the Tier 3 test, make sure that it says Tier 3. If it doesn't have this on your online test, then you need to go back to the home page and find the one that says Tier 3. Alright, so just remember that anytime during this video you can press the pause button if you need time to write work in your journal, boys and girls. Make sure you put your name, date, title, and that you number any problems you do in your journal, because if you need to go back and look at them, you can look at your work more easily. So we're going to get started. Directions. Read each question carefully. Use division and multiplication to solve the answer. Make sure to show evidence in your journal. So you're going to put your name and you're going to write who is your math teacher. Who is your math teacher? Write the name of your math teacher down below. Write the name of the teacher that teaches you math. Is your math teacher Baraza, Togi, or Masuyama? You just have to write Baraza, Togi, or Masuyama right over here. Write it, type it in. And remember, pause the video if you need more time. I'm going to start. This is a good time to pause if you need more time to fill these things out. You can pause anytime you want. I'm going to start with number 1. Number 1 says Shang divided 28 postcards between 7 different people. Each person received the same number of postcards. How many postcards did Shang give to each person? Remember to use your cube strategies. Your cube strategies. Cubes. C-U-B-E-S. Cubes. I forgot to say the S before. 28 divided by 7 equals n. 7 times n equals 28. So let's look at the answers that we can choose from. You have the first answer you can choose is 4, n equals 4. You can choose n equals 7. You can choose n equals 1, or you can choose n equals 5. What does n equal? If you need time to do some work, or go back a little bit to hear the question again, you may do that. Don't spend too much time on one problem. Try them all. Moving on to number 2. Number 2 says, what equation represents the picture? Lionel has 14 mittens. So this is the picture of 14 mittens. Does this show the picture? 14 divided by 7 equals 2. Does this show the picture? 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Does this show the picture? 14 divided by 14 equals 1. Or does this show the picture? 14 mittens. Pause the video if you need more time to do your work. I am moving on to number 3. Number 3. 15 people are going rafting. They bought 5 rafts. An equal number of people ride in each raft. How many people will be in each raft? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rafts. So you can't put anything here, but they want to know something, and this is where you could put the answer, but you're clicking it, so it's gonna have to be one of these choices. Is it 10 people in each raft, 5 people in each raft, 3 people in each raft, or 75 people in each raft? If you need time to do your work, pause the video. Moving on to number 4. Well, there's a short, easy one. What is the dividend of 56 divided by 7 equals 8? What is the dividend? A says 56, B says 7, 8 says C. Pause the video if you need more time to choose. We're moving on to number 5. This is a repeated subtraction problem. There are 20 students in science class. There are 10 students sitting at each table. How many tables are there? So here we see 20 minus 10 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. And then you can put your cursor over here and choose the answer that you think is correct. After you choose, scroll down. We're going to start number 6. Number 6. If you need more time, pause the video. Number 6 says, what is the correct pattern that goes in the table? There's a hint. The top row shows the dividends and the bottom row shows the quotient. So these are the dividends, these are the quotients. This is the divisor. If you need more time to show your work and figure it out, pause the video. We are moving on to the responses. You can put first response, which is 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you're saying that these answers go in the table. So you can choose the first response. The second response is 10, 20, 30, 40. If you want to choose this one, click the button. The last response says 9, 8, 7, and 6. So if you click here, you're saying that this goes in that box, this goes in that box, this goes in that box, and this goes in that box. Show some evidence in your journal. And we are moving on. Pause the video if you need time to show more work. Which equations are correct? Check the boxes for all of the equations that are true or correct. 7a says 0 divided by 6 equals 6. If that is true, then click that it is true. 7b says 6 divided by 6 equals 1. If that is true, click 7b is true. 7c says 18 divided by 6 equals 2. If that is true, click 7c is true. 54 divided by 6 equals 9. If that is true, click that it is true. 7e says 60 divided by 10 equals 6. If that is true, click 7e is true. If you need more time to do your work or show work, please pause. Remember, you can pause anytime you want, not just when I tell you to pause. You can pause when I am reading the question. You can pause when I am reading the answers you can pick. And you can pause after I finish reading everything. So you can pause a lot of times. Just make sure you don't take too long on any one question. Moving on, we're doing number 9. Number 9 says, Brian is dividing 64 baseball cards equally among 8 friends. How many baseball cards will each friend get? Will each friend get 8 cards? Will each friend get 8 friends? Will each friend get 9 friends? Or will each friend get 9 cards? Show me some evidence in your journal. Pause if you need more time. We are moving on to number 10. Number 10 has a little bit of a hint right here. It says, can you choose the options that show the number line? Tara made $18 selling cookies. She wants to know how many cookies she sold. Tara used this number line. So here's the number line. It looks like the arrows are jumping backward. There's a backward symbol right there. And you can choose any 3 of these options. 18, the first option, the first answer you can click that is right is 18 divided by 6 equals 4. You can click 18 divided by 3 equals 6. You can click 18 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 equals 3. If you need more time, pause the video. So, next one is number 13. Number 13 says, Andrea used 35 craft sticks to make 7 door hangers. She used the same number of craft sticks for each door hanger. How many craft sticks did Andrea use for each door hanger? So the first answer you can choose is 5 craft sticks. The second answer you can choose is 7 craft sticks. The third answer you can use is 35 craft sticks. The last answer you can choose is 9 craft sticks. If you need more time, please pause. We're moving on to number 15, to the next problem. Number 15. Patrick sells homemade pretzels in bags with 9 pretzels in each bag. He sells 54 pretzels in all. How many bags of pretzels does he sell? Does he sell 3 bags? Does he sell 9 bags? Does he sell 6 bags? Does he sell 7 bags? Take your time. When you finish, pause if you need more time. When you finish, we're moving on to the next one. Number 19 is the next one. 19 says, Holly is making 4 vegetable trays for a party. She wants to divide 36 carrot sticks equally among the trays. How many carrot sticks will she put on each tray? Will she put 18 carrot sticks? Will she put 12 carrot sticks? Will she put 8 carrot sticks? Will she put 9 carrot sticks? Take your time. If you need more time, please pause the video. Moving on. Once you finish, you see this little green button. This little blue button. And all you have to do is click submit. If you click submit and red comes out, you see all this red that's coming out? It says star required. It means you missed the question and you need to fill it out. So if you see it's red, you need to look through your answers and find the answers that are missing an answer. All of my questions are missing an answer. So I would have to go back and do all of them because they are all incomplete. If it says to review your answers, that means it was turned in and you're good to go. Hopefully you did well on this test, boys and girls. Have a good day.